Hello, Earthians! Welcome to the Earthian Scenic. Today we're jumping to the beautiful island nation of Sri Lanka, a land rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. Hold tight as we jump straight into Colombo. Sri Lanka, known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, is famous for its tea plantations, ancient temples, and golden beaches. With a history that spans thousands of years, this country offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity, making it a top travel destination. We're landing today in Colombo at the serene Viharamahadevi Park. This is the largest and oldest park in the city, a peaceful green escape in the heart of bustling Colombo. Whether it's a quiet walk under the shade of its towering trees or visiting the park's famous Buddha statue, this place is a favorite for locals and tourists alike. That's it for today, Earthians. We've explored the beauty of Sri Lanka and touched down at the peaceful Viharamahadevi Park in Colombo. If you enjoyed this journey, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and hit subscribe for more adventures with the Earthian Scenic. Let us know in the comments where we should jump to next.